Welcome everyone. The video today contains beautiful pot painting designs. As you can see, there are a variety of painting ideas to design your pots. You can draw different type of plants, animals, any sceneries or anything like that. Different type of patterns can be seen in this video which will make your pots look great and amazing. Use these ideas to make your simple pots look amazing and elegant, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.